Hey man, you know where you watch.
Well, my people, me there again, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Alright, my people, so this is a sad topic. Now, I'm going to present to you a piece of a video that had been posted on an artist's Instagram account or page that goes by the name of Angel Doulas. Now, in the entire video, he said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that his son had been killed. And I got the understanding that he talked about a situation where it is said that, and I'm going to say allegedly, the security forces within the country of Jamaica seized firearms during what is said to be a confrontation and a person had been shot and killed. So I got the understanding that he said that the person is his son, viewers and subscribers. My people, I like to listen to the things that he said in this video for yourself. Observe, my people. Observe.
You know, me not do the live something often because I love chat, I love action. You see it? And I do it in my writing, you know what I mean? But right now, this is a, yo.
Listen.
It's a big issue, Bertrand, the start of the new year. 3 minutes into January 2023, them kill my little son, the youngest son. A Balcom driver, Waterhouse. And them claims say, according to them reports, they were confronted by gunmen. And them take shotgun and a matica for him. Not knowing whosoever plant the gun them on the scene, never know say onlookers did already video him when him just get shot, when him just lay down on the ground. Cause for them video with the gun plant on the scene, him shirt have more blood stain on it than the first video. You see me?
Jano style.
Me know over as well. Go on.
Listen.
This gun culture will take over our island. It's worse than COVID. Even this quote unquote protectors and servers, even them are hoodlums too. A lot of them, not all. But God bless the few who are all the straight and the narrow. You see me? And right now, I'm telling you people, me's not a man for love. Bring myself live and chit chat. I wasn't made for that. Me's a quiet youth by nature. I saw me grow. Me listen more, talk less. You overs? Okay. So probably you might not see me on the next live. Cause a death bring me come at the live, yeah. My last son, Noel Douglas, soldier them kill him. Hear them here, the gun salute. Sitting where I always go on every time of the year. Them time of year there. Last night.
Listen, more.
Yes, him did amongst a group of people where probably did a fire shot in the sky, of course. But when me a female, me did it too. And I watch. And I pray at the same time I watch. And I say, I hope, Father God, I hope none of them shot there with them a fire in our ear, no come back down and hurt somebody. That was my main concern. Every year when me see it happen, when me witness it happen, that was my main concern. You overs? Now them teenager and them young men, young folks, young youths, them acidic, toxic even. This gun culture reach a levels wherein it's become a norm. As if there's nothing wrong doing it. You overs? Cause I mean, me getting at them brain. and show you how wrong them is. Them anticipate the countdown. One or few of them might have something for clot as the new year ringing. One whole big bang of them gather up round the one like a sitting for fire it one. Alright, you know fire it in the sky. Suppose one of you no know how to angle it.
See it.
You never think about that?
See it.
Alright, then again, suppose all I wanna know if fire it. Right? Warm to the spotter. Why the spotter not there up a lane mouth? That's something wrong on that do. Something illegal on that do. Have respect for the law.
Straight.
You overs, have respect for the law because I'm already involved in yourself in something wrong. I don't consume no food from last night from me get the news from my daughter. My little next son, when he macron him, I know him not stop cry. I don't cry as yet. I mean, physical tears I don't. But my heart bleed. You overs? Because this is reminiscent of my youngest brother, 1993, 13th of July. A gunman kill him, my little brother. Now, is a uniform gunman kill my little son. And them a claim say, them find one big old shotgun and one extended magazine well loaded in our matic. Don't be stupid. Police them a cover up for soldier them. We shoot him and gone left him. Radio for cops them forward and them say boy this little youth now him never have no gun. Swab him and carry me in. See if him did a fire none. I not surfing nobody, not even my own flesh and blood. But according to the scene, and when I say according to the scene, I mean people, onlookers, witnesses. Him never have it. Him never fire none, him just dead in the group of them. And them see the soldier them bust the corner and took off. Him never run. Probably in his brain he must say, me no need for run. And when them start fire in a film direction and probably him pick up one, him start run. And him get about 6 more.
See.
My last son. It's Tuesday coming is his birthday. The 3rd of January. He would have been 22. You know what I mean? I not do that life along in my people. But I have other things to do. But this is very significant. We have to do it because it was requested. Some of my fans them I said, do it, singer. You have to do it. See me? Yes, Cubans. Give thanks. Know what I mean? Uno trigger happy more than the gunman them. Uno probably young, just like my son, are a little bit older than him and just eager to make duppy. And true no know say at that time of the year I them think they go on. So not ready, you're not ready if you go catch somebody off guard. On a plant gun on the scene. On a plant gun on the scene, not knowing say somebody already did video him a gap. We make a status post yesterday about sometime after 2. And him replied to the post and say, yes, daddy, I love you now, I love only, you know. And me only gotta do the right thing. My youth, Tuesday your birthday, Bill. You have a girlfriend, Bill with her. Give God thanks and praise so the year finish and a new one I go start. That's the right thing for do. You know, for the pan ends, loose out yourself like a waste man. Me angry with him, you know, people. Me angry with him, you know. Because him for recognize that the Almighty giveth life. And if a next chapter is about to begin, which will be Tuesday, anticipate that Tuesday coming and start give thanks, because you're not a praying youth. Give thanks to the Almighty, so the year finish and a new one a start, and 2 days from now is your earth strong. Give thanks for that. Now watch no body of fire, no shot in no sky, because that a devil works. It's an insult to the Almighty. If you know say him give it life and when fire something will take life. You know, Overs, big up yourself, Deli Ranks, real sport. Give thanks to all of the well wishes, you know. But as me say, me not stay long. You know, me soon end the live and all these things.
Can only imagine how you feel, my people, I tell you.
Yeah, my people, America, me there now. I am live now. Cause
I can only imagine how I feel, my people. You know, I can only imagine how I feel, you know. Him say more words in the rest of the video, no viewers and subscribers. That's just piece of the video. You see him? And a real, and in my point of view, I think him talk real and him talk conscious. You see me and some people. You know, I tell him, as the year start, not even 12 hours in the new year, and information out there say, Smaddy get shot, this, that happen. I tell you, rough. This gun. You know much time I wonder who invent gun? Gun shouldn't invent, man. Gun should never exist, none at all. You see, man, I say, but this is the world we live in, and still, my people. You know. Anyways, let me know what you think about the piece of video that I presented to you. Or you can let me know what you think about the things that he said in the piece of video that I presented to you. You can also let me know what you think about that whole situation that he talked about. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? So here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!